Yes, I'm going to be painting the covering right here. I just removed this piece right here. Also, this is already, I already took the clips out for this guy here. Okay, and this has been removed. So this, I'm going to give it a nice little wash just now and paint it. So those two are there. This one, the clip's already been removed as well. So put that there, and now I'm just removing this bar right here. And once I remove that, I'm gonna take everything out. I'm also gonna be painting this guy as well. Already removed that. So that I'm gonna wash, and this guy here, my fuse box cover, that as well. So that's going to be painted black, give it a nice glass look. The battery cover in here, I'm probably going to paint that. I think I did with my last Accord. I did do this black and red combination, so I'm going to be doing that as well. And so I'm just going to remove that, and then once everything has been removed, I'm going to give it a good wash to make sure all the grease is off. First coat is going to be, I'm going to be put primer. Okay, first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting some primer over it. Then I'm going to be doing with the black paint and the red paint. It depends on which part. Some parts going to be black, some parts going to be red. And once I'm done that, then you know, I'll just kind of put it back together after it's dried, obviously, and then you know, hopefully you guys will like it. Okay guys, the car is finally done. For now, they still, I still have to paint. This guy still needs to be painted. It's going to be painted black, and then the Honda is going to be red. So I'm probably going to wait until it warms up outside, because right now it's still cold, and before I do that. So we'll see. But so far, I think it looks okay. What do you guys think? So you guys can let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? What's happening, guys? Robbie Four Wheel. Welcome back to the channel. And guys, I started doing the painting the engine covers yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to finish it yesterday. And so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I try my best to get it done. I've got a few other things I need to get done as well. So I'm probably going to go ahead. Shouldn't take me that long because the only thing that's left is the Honda here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint the name Honda. I'm going to do the black, the red, black, the red, and the black. I think that's going to look a lot better. There's a lot of red and black combination in the car, as you can see so far. So I don't want to add any more bright colors to my engine bay. So I just want to keep it nice and subtle. And I think that just the letters painted versus the cover is going to really stand out. And then you'll be able to see the Honda nice and clear. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, guys. So pretty much all you need to do that, guys, is I'm going to put some primer on there because I think it's going to allow the paint to hold a lot better. So I'm going to put some primer on there first. And then once I'm done that, I'm going to do either color. I'm going to start with the black because the first letter is going to be black. So there's 3 of the letters is going to be black. The H, the N, and the A is going to be black. And 2 of the letters is going to be red, which is the O and the D. That's going to be red. And all you need to do that, guys, is a little paintbrush. I actually picked this up at the dollar store. And this cost me, the Dollarama, this cost me $3. And what I really need from this whole package is, see if I can open that up here. Actually, it's on the back here. See if I can open that while holding the camera. All that I really need from here is these two. That's it. That's all I need. I couldn't get these individually. You got to buy the whole package of $3, which, I mean, I'm sure eventually down the road the rest of it may come in handy, but this is all I need, right? I'm going to be using one for the black and one for the red. So I just finished putting the primer on. I'm going to wait for that to dry, and then once that's dry, I'll probably wait another couple of minutes. Once that's dry, then I'll start my my black. I'm just going to complete all the black, and then I'll go on do the red. So there you go. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing the red, and this is just what I do, guys. So there you go, that's it. And I'm ready to go. Trying to avoid putting too much on there because I don't want it to run over. So I'm trying to be careful. Okay, I think that's looking nice. It's looking really good. Finally done. So there's the end results right there. Hoping that you guys like it. So like I said, guys, super easy to do, and straightforward, pretty straightforward. It took me about 10 minutes to paint the letters because I wanted to be really careful, because I don't want it to be messy. I want it to be nice and clean. And so what do you guys think? So take a look at it, let me know what you guys think.